Nothing me not say. You see how long? I mean, know exactly what I mean. Never yet come back and talk about it yet. Never. I'm just laugh. Because everyone the people think for me, I never talk much. But to the come about. Come back about to the blood clot. Don't go ahead. Shame, I'm break it up to you though. You see? That's how long time big old woman. We live in a community. All them know, so Jake said, me, I don't really want to explode for him, share.
No add him with me, Why am I add you with me? Cause here, you know what? Here, say me add nobody again. The last time him disrespect me, say me send him request. No, don't add him with me, Jabass.
So as I was saying, let me tell you something, Shay. Before me go this off. You see, all of this, whatever. Alright, left it alone, Jabass. Go back yourself. Yeah, so a long time, big woman, where just, all them pre and them meds is just evil. They're not nothing good for people picking it. Because they can't breathe. And even if they breathe, they curse their own picking with their evil they have. So you see, when they see out of community, certain pitney hold up their head. They speak general, but not speak for me alone. Spiritual argument shit. So you see when they see certain pitney rise up, big woman in the community, we work witchcraft and hold on people pitney. You understand me? So you see now, you not like my mother. Cause your husband or your man we have did like my mother. I like my sister then. So you don't like them, you grow a grudge.
Yeah.
So when you see something circulate now, you start get information about the community. You start tell people them name of my community, people in my community. And I know all of who did it. Sky, TikTok liar and all them, they don't know nobody from which family. They don't know nobody at all. But true, who are give them information, no say nothing no go so, but they just give them information to make it look realistic. So they will come and they say, Link Clint. And you see how easy me find out who give them information? Clint, baby mother. Because when they say Clint, say this, me drive from the club, go down a Clint yard, pan the live.
Yeah.
And if me never do that at the time, then she would come out, come pan live. She would come out the time and join the live and attack and go over for them live and cuss.
Yeah.
Because that's how God work. God knows how you are do the fuck, but you never know how you are going to confront your husband, your one-time husband. And you come out now, not even knowing, say, if me come out, call custom, I'm going to say, I'm me, because you're the only person. You're the only person who associated with them when know people from the community.
Right.
You understand me? So, me know them thing they go. And them share their skill, you know. But they always left so little loophole and so little some little mismatch up things when they really add up. Like they can definitely look through it. Them always left chase where you can see and know say I like this or you can investigate, And in the reach no way you share. Because in this going down there is a week, I be a ras, I be a bangarang.
And when me talk in chat, I yesterday I said, ask them.
In the reach, no, I be a bangarang. I saw different, I bet saw different people name come up in it.
No, yesterday I said, yesterday me tell them, say, wait. Everything I got bust out. Me said, come like say Christmas cans, everything cans. And yesterday me tell them for my life. Yesterday. Me tell them yesterday, say, more to come. More.
What?
More. And
TikTok liar, don't make them bully you. Don't make them bully you, TikTok liar. Boss up everything.
Yeah, me tell you, no, it's just the beginning. Liar, short text,
Petagaye,
and
don't make them throw you on that bus, Petagaye. Don't make them throw you on that bus. Boss up everything, Petagaye. Don't make them throw you on that bus, girl.
So, oh, Jaden name reaching at this a message here, you know.
Oh.
Text a show over TikTok liar.
See it? Mix up.
All Jaden name reaching at the blood clot mix up in our message. A son stay.
Evania add before you know say my share friend. Me not add you over here. Everywhere you see clout they want run up in there. Girl and go add your blood clot man, girl and go. Go add king. You don't get none of the clout. Babe. You don't get none of the clout, girl. Go, babe.
Yes, so.
You know, say, yeah, man, a friend, and you want to come here. You say, they get trouble.
Me don't tell them already, I'm not paying nobody rent. Anybody want them rent pay, bill your own cloud, bill pay your own rent. I know no strategy on the internet. Me not fall feet. Me know no strategy pa ya. Me not fall feet. Sorry. Liar stop show text now. Liar continue.
So lie the life.
Yeah, liar throw Petagaye under the bus. He not said it.
Anyway.
He named TikTok liar. Just type it in a one. TikTok liar. TikTok liar.
I try to find when the person send me.
Shit, I went to by himself.
Yeah.
I invite him, shit.
Probably we talk about him, you know, remember? But me I try to find the first time the person, if me did ask them.
Nah, ask it.
Tell Jabass if he want them at Jabass I send me one invite. If he wants to talk to me, he can do it by himself. Me not have a problem. But me not talk to Shape on the live.
She see me over here.
Talk by himself.
Me not want to talk to you.
Me send him everything me have.
No, you go over there. Go on over there. Go on.
It's nice. TikTok like a good man. They don't do that. They make you man like him wicked.
Hello.
Wagwan.
Nothing. What's up?
But they are. Me kind of lost. I can't feel me in.
No, me realize say this whole thing. Somebody me don't know. I don't know if somebody tell somebody's story, but anything you want, me can send them a whole call log. Cause me I call Mocha and Sisoka. Me I call everybody. Me I call everybody because this person contact me. If anyone cussing, cuss. Me not care.
No, me not cuss.
But if the truth is just the truth. If somebody a frame you, them figure down.
God no man, me say liar.
And I don't have nothing to do with it. But this person, me go play. The person and Jakes know each other.
What?
Yes, me go play. The person and Jakes know each other. They know each other and me figure it out. And me say from me figure it out, me say me have to come live with it because me nah deal with this foolishness. Me I go play you. Me don't know if you ever hear Petagaye voice yet or whatever she name. I don't know.
Me didn't hear you one time, man, for a screen recording. For me here again.
Me go play you on something now. Let me see if me can find it. And you go hear she and Jakes are talk. Obviously she and Jakes are like fuck. The same person. So I don't know where it come from. I am just as puzzled as everybody else. Me don't know where it come from. Me don't know how she fall.
Play it, liar, play it. Don't make them show on that bus, liar. Bust up the blood clot.
No. All right, no. Me not listen. Me not hear nobody now. And if somebody do something and me go bring them to the forefront because them a figure prove it.
Them like how you didn't bring me to the forefront when them a tell you never know. When they tell lie, you find out like bring them back to the forefront.
Right, exactly what me I go do. Me go play now. Listen.
TikTok lawyer so she can ask all the relevant questions that she wants.
Petagaye advice that.
Listen, you're gonna hear GX, listen. Keep listening at 9 minutes. You're gonna hear GX coming.
Her on my personal number.
Petagaye.
I'm going to call you. All right. Paula, you're not listening. For the love of God, I want you to listen. The number for the hardware is not working. It's working, but they said due to the heavy rain that fall, everybody are complaining that you're calling and you're not getting through to the number. But since I am here in the presence of everyone, I would do the courtesy of calling you on somebody else's phone and you could connect her. And then she could ask all the relevant questions that she wants to ask to clear the air. Because now we realize, say, Andre Beckford doesn't work here. Andre Beckford just said that he's a JDF soldier and he wants an account number to send over some money. Yeah, Mr. Wallace, Lord God, man, you're excellent. So since I am here, I would do the courtesy of that.
She's very intellectual.
Father, I need my gas tank to be full today. All of the stress that you put me through this morning, you need to fill my gas tank. Thank you very much.
She's an intellectual person. She's very intellectual.
Let's keep quiet and listen. Mr. Wallace.
Yeah. All right, I said this Mr. Wallace at GX uncle. The whole of them in panic. This Mr. Wallace at GX uncle.
But Andrew Beckford is J.
Yes, this Mr. Wallace at GX uncle.
I am here, but I have not seen you.
So hold on the liar, pause. So in other words, how this would maybe sound like Petagaye evil go to the place where the house is building.
Yeah, she go there. She around there all the time. She's around there all the time. But let's listen, Jabass. When you finish listen to this, come when you hear GX and she.
Don't start reporting woman like that woman not do nothing.
My name is Smith. Mr. Wallace. Hey, you're Paula. The Audacity, and I'm going to call him back because I'm going to tell him the $50,000 in collect. I'm going to find out. First, I'm going to find out $50,000 in them because I can't take the foolishness, you know.
Who is Paula?
Sweet and Sassy. What woman she named Sweet and Sassy on TikTok? She have an advocate for Jake.
Yeah, Sassy P.
Yeah, Sassy P, yeah.
Yes. Morning, how you doing?
Hear Jakes? You hear Jakes?
Where did you meet Mr. Wallace?
Jakes and Petagaye that Jabass?
Yes, of course.
The same number that you gave the person that you gave TikTok lawyer.
It's that person reach out to me. I give me a number, say he's a budget. I'm gonna call him and talk to him. He was talking to you this morning.
He does not work at budget. Let me video call you in the dress. Come in and play with you in the dress. Let me video call you, you know. And try video call.
What they're trying to say now, TikTok lie, is that you gave Jakes a number to do this to take the money.
No. Jakes gave me a number to call somebody at a hardware and say, because we have set up one account thing so you can buy supplies. So Jakes give me one man number, the man called me, everything just seemed weird. So I hit share try to sort out. But when we hear from it, the whole of them in this scam.
So they take Jakes' money?
They don't take the money for Jakes. They might claim to say somebody send them money because they want to make us comfortable to send money. Because Jakes come from me live and they say, Jabass send money to it already, you know, the account set up.
Peter, see that person that named Petagaye? She's very intelligent and she's a professional scammer.
Yeah, she is. Listen, okay. Jabass, a GX woman, she and GX woman, listen.
Play with you. Drex, look what me there. You see from me? Drex, pay attention here, so for me now. Look what me there, you see me there? Out of budget, me there. There's no Andre Louis Wallace that works here. None at all. Anyway,
Petagaye gone up a budget.
Yes.
So the supervisor over there, we just want to meet with the supervisor. I just want to. But I spoke with Mr. Wallace. Mr. Wallace people and I kept saying, he might come and he can't reach. So we start digging to it. So who sent him the $50,000?
One soldier.
Just want your blood clot. Hey, you want to hold it right now and just thump off your face, you know?
But I don't mean them send the money, Katie, not him send the money, you know?
So, but basically, Jabass, she tell Jake say she name Cadian. Cadian Fear Cloth. That's what she tell Jake say she name.
Like I tell the girl name so.
Okay, but that's what she tell Jake say she name. Listen.
You make the man reach out to him. I go send the man money. I mean, people send the money.
Yes.
If you want to send me the money, I make the man call you. I will send the man money. Them call me and give the man call and say, yo.
First thing you hear this?
He might $50,000 for me.
Drinks.
I don't mean,
That is a scam, man.
money I call.
Hold on, it's don't hear more.
Yeah. Chat commercial break. Click the follow button if you don't follow.
And Jabass, I want publicly apologize to you. May I publicly apologize to you because right now you have nothing to do with this. I may go publicly apologize to you. And you see, because of you and your name get dragged, me I go report them to Mocha and give Mocha everything we may have.
Yeah, man, because I want to know who name this Petagaye thing.
May I publicly apologize to you.
I want to know her, man. I want to know her till
Yes, exactly. Me a and this person know a lot about you and a lot about your life. So me a publicly apologize to you. So me want to know who to. Me know who to. We have who we want to know because Jabass I don't even know. Me don't even know. So everybody have to get involved.
I've never heard that voice before, like before TikTok. Like me have to try to listen back to the voices them. You understand me? Me can't pick up on any way. Me a chat.
Them go to jail. Everybody, them go to jail. Let me finish play this for you.
The control, your house needs to finish. Somebody can purchase and somebody can budget. I believe that you're not smarter than that.
I keep asking the person who introduced me. I already send the money to the man. I tell him, say, yo, if I contact him, I have $50,000 for me. You understand? I never reached out to nobody at all. I go to the budget this morning. I go when you reach for me.
If I should have call me, all day you call me. Look here. Other to my call. No, other to my call. When I start out this without me, please, Sassy. You see this? I'm going to contact party.
No longer love you. I'm take me the bunny. The last time I come in, put in.
One man, see like a batty boy you call me. Or start record, baby.
Here she said start record, baby. You hear that? A Jake's woman.
You see your drinks? Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna tap in your face.
So Rosalie never know say that person who the Petagaye I'm a Jake's there.
Mr. Wally.
I don't know. I don't know who know at this point, Jabass. I don't know who know. So but you confirm say Jake's know or Jake's voice that and she and Jake's
I wouldn't mind Petagaye knowing. Rosalie knowing. I mean if Rosalie know it a boss up.
Okay, so me just want see there. Me I report everything, every conversation we have. She to get reported. The woman full of phone number. She full of phone number. She full of phone number.
Liar.
Yeah.
Before the whole argument come out, you see, was it Petagaye, the person who named Petagaye came to Uno with the story?
All right, Rosalie had her live one day, right?
Yeah.
And she had talked about this story. And then one lady jump up in the Rosalie box and she say, oh, you know, Fran, she have 15, somebody violate her, blah, blah, blah. So Rosalie pull me up in her box. And because Rosalie said she get dumb struck, she don't know what to say. Me I tell you exactly how we go. Say to me upon Rosalie, my iPad, the TikTok message flash past my iPad screen. Yeah. And she say she was one of Jabass victim. She was in Rosalie chat typing. And she said,
yeah, because Rosalie first go up on her live and start talk about it when me and her did a
yes.
And then she go up in a Rosalie box.
No, she never go up in there. She had typing at the chat. Oh. And then I type up one whole heap a different name. Then she come in my inbox. And me same time Sky call me. And Sky say, Lawyer, sister girl, want somebody reach out to me, say Jabass this. So me start compare and me say, Ross, I same person reach out to me.
Yeah.
That's what me and Sky compare. That's it. The person say, anyway, we get on the phone. The night we get on the phone. Mother get on the phone and mother say if she can't add Rose. We said no problem. Cause Rose live we come out pan.
Yeah.
When she come on the phone, she said, Rose, me they reach out to you 1 year ago and tell you, and you come on your live and say, nobody no come in my inbox can't tell me nothing. And Rose, yeah, true.
That the part there, like I Rose tell that part there to say that I reach out to you. So I like that part there.
So the person that reach out to her. So the yes. So Rose say, and Rose are dumbstruck and she say, Rose I feel bad, and Rose say, yes. The person did reach out to me a year ago. I tell me say, Jabass, whatever. But that time me and Rose are friend. So Rose cuss her out and say, nobody no come in my inbox, blah, 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 blah. So that's this how everybody company call and she start tell her story. She reached out. We can go back from the first conversation, come right down.
So basically, chat. She remember, you know, me did get up one day and bring down everybody, you know. And Rosalie go up in her feelings and Bex and start talk about it, and then them come up and say me 15, if I'm 15, this and from that. So she reach out and TikTok like them spread her.
But she know everything about you.
She don't know nothing about me. She don't know nothing about me. She knows somebody down here.
Yeah, and somebody down here tell her about your mother, have your mother name, have your stepsister name, have like they have certain things, information about you.
Yeah.
So somebody's telling her something because she know your mother name.
She don't name no Katie and she don't name no blood clot Petagaye. No, that kind of name.
So we don't know, but me say she know. Or when you walk through your community, she could have tell with the people them who you talk to. She could have tell with the people them who you talk to in the community.
I want to know her till a week, but I tell her, boy, I bring her for a nice little date, but still don't eat lobster.
Well, the whole TikTok at this point, the whole TikTok want know her. So just know what basically happened just now, you know. One lady sent GX $100,000 Friday. One of them day, Friday or whichever day. I don't remember which day. One day. And the person sent GX $107,000. 600 US. And the lady sent me the receipt. And I show me. I say, okay, good, whatever. So just know
the person when they come and I show the scars. When she show the scars them to Sky, Sky never see her face?
No, she just show her belly. She just show her belly and her back. She never show no face.
Let me tell you something, darling. It's from a young and a girl. I don't have any problem with fat females or thick females, but I don't really do them. I like slimmers.
Okay. Yeah, everybody have them preference.
I love slimmers. I don't have any problem with thick girls, but I love slimmers. Yo. Zombie, what are you? They are on the live with that. What going on? You good? You active? You look on?
One shot.
Oh,
so the person say them whatever them send her the money. Them send the money and them send me the receipt, but we sending a one view, right? Them send me the receipt and everything, and them say they want help pay for whatever. Basically, the person thinks that them and Jakes in a relationship too. Cause like Jakes come over and scam the whole internet. Cause the amount of person we are send money. You know, nobody not mess with you. A year game, and you know a year thing. Do what you do. Anyway, she sent me one number and she said, all right, see the number you call her. See number you call her. Here, see number you too. Chat, see the same number you. Hold on there. This cause she keeps saying the number you was guessed, your stepsister number.
The person that they're talking about, guess is not my stepsister. Guess is my adopted sister.
Your adopted sister, you're right. Definitely. Mike wrong. Them say adopted sister.
Oh, don't come as a call blood clot. Tell me about no blood clot. They play jigs. Don't, hey, don't better not get me mad in that blood clot night time. But play the pussy clot. I don't even know that number. I don't even know that number. I don't even know that pitney on the screen. So no come as a come tell me no fuckery. I'm a blood clot ears. It is very coincident. It is so coincident. A person who came on live to talk about me.
See it here, but Jabass, to the number you will call the lady just now and say she represent she want 160,000. This is the number where she kept saying was
the same number that they said was my adopted
yes. Okay, see the number there, Jabass.
So it turned from my adopted sister to a representative of Jake's.
Yes. She said she want $160,000 for lawyer fee.
See that?
Yes, see it here.
So that same person is trying to scam again.
Yeah.
So I know guess number again. It's a liar number now.
Yes, see that right. See the person they send the receipt to the person, say them do order protection. See the person they hold on, let me take off this. See the person they them send. Oh, I think I saw she screenshot it. See the person they them send order protection. See there. See the person say, look. Me tell them if send. See they send me the number, say whose number?
That's Instagram number text upon.
Yes, because me never get the person. She say she called me and say protection and rose cost 160. See the number that she text me? That time make me antennas go
up. So protection order would be like Richcraft.
No, order of protection. They must say they want lawyer fee for order of protection.
Oh.
Yeah, so she said she a lawyer, so she call and say because this a woman already sent $100,000, you know. So they want to take more money off of the woman.
Oh.
So they call the woman and tell the woman say
is that woman always send money for GX?
Yes. So they want to take a
me and chat, me and that, you know. I think me and that. Me say, listen to me. I'm not telling you this. I'm in a beer business who want to tell me, who want to tell me this and tell me that there. They know about it, blood clot. The whole of them I see, all them know about it.
Okay.
More innocent. It is so too coincident, you know, say this a person that sending money. So all right, here we do now. Text him and tell him, say, I are the liar. And tell him how much you charge so we can convince him, say, we want the order protection.
And then she did tell Sassy P, say, $160,000. And me turn to Sassy and me say, we now go on the internet go beg no money but no order of protection until they serve Rose. So they might try get a long time and me shut it down. Me say until this person serve Rose, say then get one summons, no order of protection money now, no lawyer money now collect over here. I said that. So now she try other ways to get it.
Oh. Because it is too coincidental for you, all right, your woman who live with much years come on live and say grape allegation, then boom, this Petagaye person just surface through your platform.
I remember Tuffy did come say a Rose that look woman fi say with it lie. Probably a true Tuffy that talk.
Tuffy never tell a lie. Probably
a true Tuffy, but true Tuffy say so.
And then no, listen then no. Couple months after now, the same exact person who came to say grape allegation is the same person now who you and it told them in the same Airbnb. I drive up and down in a car, I find the person who take a 50,000 and in a contact with you, call your babe.
Yes! I know you should talk to him like our man, me will step in your face. Remember, alright, Jabass, listen to this, Jabass. The night when GX going to an apartment, that him and she in the apartment together.
Yes, because she show me say I see a Airbnb apartment.
Yes, the two of them
So the
in there
same time when
together.
the same time when the girl that show her scars in the same Airbnb, Jakes was there. Because it's
Yeah,
the
yeah, all
same
right. Hear them
place.
say that number come up as an Airbnb at Surbiton Road, and it's not lie. Let me telling you, say no lie, and a lie because me that search because when she tell me say I guess number, you know, me a search the number, me go show you Jabass, and a lie that person you tell me check the number, me ask somebody if you check the number at Jamaica, me show you, and a lie that person you tell me go show you. Me go in our chat right now and show you. But at the time, she was really at an Airbnb and she had to buy a chip for real. Me go show you Jabass. And I like the person they tell. We just type in my chat a while ago. Chat, guys, you're not like guy. You're not guy, girl or guy or whoever. Me go show you. Because me search the number. Ask somebody if you search the number. And this is what came up. Hold on. This is what came up. Remember, so the girl a video call we and show we say she did a Sissoko report you.
Because I was waiting on the arrest and all. No, they said Monday and I was
Okay.
waiting
We
and
have
they get
hold on
arrest.
guys. Make us show you this this something.
And they said that they had my DNA.
Hold on.
And I have never ever did that DNA.
That girl are wicked. Me say that girl are wicked.
Nobody never ever yet pump my hood and take sperm out of it to do any DNA.
Alright, see it here. And I like the person that tell. See it here to Ross. Cause me did a search for your number. When she tell me one number, say a for your number, me search and me go show you your name come up. Say a feel for real. He said Jabass.
How your number go liar?
Me go tell you just though. Hold on.
Just tell me to achieve first digit.
No, me not remember I thought of my head.
Oh.
See there.
I don't mind.
No, the same number. Me tell say the person search here and see them just say Surbiton Road. See there.
Okay, so Airbnb and something, the client 10.
See there, the person said then just serve. I see them, I look for the number, and that is what it say. Because we are trying to find out if I didn't really guess on which part she there.
No
but
time,
as she did it there, I don't know damn guess. And even as she was there, I don't know damn guess.
She's a professional scammer chat. You know, listen to the woman talk, man, the woman intelligent, you fuck. She intelligent and when she hold up on the knife handle, you know, let it go. When they twist him in a changing argument. So let me tell you something, you see, anyhow, that girl did have some trueness about nothing about me, bro, with lock up and this and that. Me gonna fucking prison and ask you.
See there, June 5th, she said she got Sissoko go report. You see there? I want video call with her when she did it. See video call, let me take a screenshot.
I'm gonna post this, what you think. Claude.
Yeah. See there. See there. So nobody, as she orchestrate everything. Nobody knows whatever her or she orchestrate everything. She already sent one picture where them say the number sent and them say GUN. That means that she have all access to GUN because she share one picture with somebody I want slippers and one GUN. Me can't show it on the live because me want me live block up.
And if I show that picture there right now, maybe just scroll up on internet and see it same way on internet.
What they want dirty slippers.
I want to know that person till I weak. I mean,
You never know her, Jeff. She ever come to the forefront.
If it even take me 100 years before God make me eyes shut, me have to know what that person is.
She ever come to the forefront.
I mean, you're gonna listen, darling.
Of course she did listen.
You must make one mistake.
Of course she did listen.
Make one mistake. And when I make you one mistake, me I gotta know who you be.
Of course she did listen everything. Jabass, every time we talk about her, anytime her name come up, she run out of nowhere, and that's the only time she not turn up. She block me, she block Skype. Me don't know where, me don't know if she block me, but me know she block me and me say Skype says she block her. Laugh, she can't laugh. She can't laugh because everybody she'll get reported. She's gonna get reported. Her voice is out there. Jakes clearly know her. Can you see Jakes and she they on phone? Jakes saying
Liar, you have a number where I use like a call, like we can talk
yes, me can't get the whole the number them. Me have I want whole heap of number she I use. Whole heap of number. DM me and me give all of the number them.
Yeah, man,
Whole heap of number she must about 4 or 5 number the girl have. Holy, me can give me whole conversation with me and she. Me not care. Me can send me can screen record me whole conversation and send it. Me not have nothing to hide.
Me not page no GX. What kind of page GX? Me not no bad man in my TikTok a big. Me come and go big out but page your blood
Not have a thing I hide.
Gotta page them.
All the chat supposed to have our number because whole data show. So them probably I'll still have it. Cause whole data show over here. Because I don't care at this point. But Jabass, somebody do name Petagaye small we born at Eldersley. Somebody really name so.
Wait there, Petagaye small wa?
Born at Eldersley. Somebody name so for true. See the me have the, yeah, somebody really name so. Because we have all our bank card where we send money to and see our birth certificate. And the whole another say it's not real, but it's real.
So a bank card NCBB?
Yes.
And I name Panya Petagaye small too?
Yes. That's why I tell you say, so I mean if somebody me don't know what she do, but somebody really name so. The person born at Eldersley maternity clinic. Everybody that said the birth certificate fake, you know, fake. Petagaye Amaya Small, born at Eldersley Maternity Center, Parish of St. Elizabeth.
How is Petagaye spelled?
Peteraye.
Hold on, Kiki. Let me have phone.
She said they call her Maya.
Any that name and that birth certificate is real. I swear to God, me have to know. True, me never free, me never follow up. But any that name the referee for true, me tell us.
They see the birth certificate. Yeah, she born at El. Me can get her mother name. You can get her. Right now, not private. Everything.
Spell it again. Petagaye, P-E-T-A.
No, Peteraye.
Am I spell?
How the Amoy did spell again? A-M-O-Y. Can somebody block out? Make her ask somebody. A-M-O-Y. A-M-O-Y S-M-A-L-L. She born 15th of December, 1999.
Hey, call police. I can't love like so.
Yes, see them at the birth. Nurse Anderson was the nurse at Eldersley where deliver her. Nurse Anderson, Eldersley Maternity Center, 15th of December, 1999. So somebody said that nurse deliver me.
The person when they come and show this something, they have tattoo on them.
Me never seen a tattoo. Me never remember seeing a tattoo. I never remember seeing a tattoo. She said you still have the birth certificate without her name blocked out. Look if you still have it. Hold on, no. Me I look for the name. Me I look for the mother name. The birth certificate. Look for the name and tell me the mother name, sis. Tell me the mother name. Yeah, get the mother name. Yeah, you're still supposed to have it. Get the mother name. Cause the mother name I go to. So him. But somebody named so, and it's like she know the person. For some reason, they know the person.
But when me ask the people, anybody if I Saint Elizabeth there, we don't know if no where's elders what?
Eldersley. E-L. Let me spell
No, me
it.
know
E-L.
elders, man. Me know elders. That I never to go up with yet. I must one time go with me go to church. Elders what?
That's why she's maternity center.
Maternity center. Anybody if I Saint
Yeah,
Elizabeth?
somebody said them born. Somebody who just over here said them born this, or they said them born or something, or the nurse deliver them. Somebody said me. Somebody over here said me. They say you can drive there to go to Mobe.
December 15.
December, hold on, let me make sure me get the right one. December 15, 1999. Nurse Anderson deliver them.
Alright, so Suma. December
15, 1999. Me go tell her the mother name. Give me a second. Somebody
all in that below.
25 going on 26.
Alright, you know. Alright. No, well, alright. Mrs. What your name, Mrs. Bodacious? You come in one more time and say, I'm gonna block your bitch. Oh. Which one?
But we definitely know said GX know who. And the same person the Jabass. So we don't know how you're gonna do with that. But we know for a fact say GX know who. That's one thing we sure about. GX know who. Look at your messages. Somebody say the original for cover it up. Look at your messages. We are sending the original. Nobody sent somebody the original birth certificate. We cover up the. So they tell them if we looking at their message. So you can get the mother name because that can help. You cleared it? Oh, she said she cleared it. I don't even know. Alright, me looking at my message and your message. It should be in there then. Hold on. I'm going to delete none. I'm looking at my message and your message. What's the date? Tell me the date. I don't know if I can remember the date. Let me go back to my message and your message then. Bingo. Me tell you her mother name. Vernica Michelle. And the which part the residence on the birth certificate at the time is Kilmurray. Kilmurray. You get the name? Veronica Michelle, that's the mother name.
Veronica what? Mitchell?
Michelle.
Really?
Michell. Excuse me.
And I just put our Kilmurray.
Kilmurray, yeah. Killmury.
RRY.
1 R.
Kilmurray. Just
Yes.
Kilmurray.
Yeah, Kilmurray. Residence Kilmurray.
Veronica Michelle Kilmurray.
Yeah, that's it. That's why it's a Michelle. I mean, if I want to type error, but the Michel.
Alright, let me tell you. You hear me?
Yeah.
That the bread paper they fake. I'm not gonna tell you why I tell you say fake. Kilmurray is 2 different addresses from Eldersley. And government don't make mistake in spelling a community name on a document like that. They ensure it's the right registered address name spelled on it. They don't make mistake for ID and something there.
But how she get ID in a fair and how she have bank card in her name?
In the same Petagaye small?
Yes, how she have bank account in her name? How she have bank account? Me have the bird paper.
Veronica Michelle. My name. Veronica.
Me have the birth certificate number. Me know who work at RGD, see the birth certificate number there. They did everything there, so me don't know how the person have bank account. The bank account trigger what I say? That's weird. The bank account Jamaica not easy for open bank account.
Yeah, you have it right for true.
Jamaica not easy for that's why we keep saying somebody name so, but a who name so? A who name so? No, I'm not give out our bank account. Why would I do that? But me tell him. No, I'm not do that.
You see one number on the birth certificate number. Birth certificate number.
KAC 5433.
Hold on. KAC 5433. Alright, good. This also can do it. Hold on.
Yeah, I think she work with some. She know the Petagaye. Somebody named Petagaye. KAC 5433. Worry that me I say cause anytime fear name call anywhere she fly out. But birth paper that start with AA. My one that start with AA. So me know say another and everybody number start the same way. Everybody know and start the same way. So no bother with that. Cause my one that start with AA. So everybody won't start the same way.
You know this
Continue.
it's information alright. Well, latest in a week and we can know exactly what person you be. Anyhow, information I write, by in a week, me can find out this. Me have one friend who work at RGD. What they
Okay,
she me the
find
car.
out.
What they she me the car to start out my baby birth certificate something. So I'm good. So I know say this right.
And if you want a copy of it, just let me know, because I have a copy. The copy is right here.
I feel no. I feel no. I feel no what person be. I feel me name. Veronica Michelle, Petagaye.
I'll start the hot pepper.
Veronica. Liar.
Yeah.
I bet say father name the panny.
No father name the funny,
No
no.
man, me know. The people that were torment like that, they don't really have no father.
The witness name Alvida Robinson. I don't know if you don't know nobody, if somebody know nobody names.
Alvida Robinson.
That are the witness. They say witness at the bottom. Alvida Robinson.
Alvida Robinson. And you know where Alvida come from.
No, it does say witness by Alvida Robinson. And the witness date at June 2006. Because she said she never had no birth certificate for a while. She'd have a little registration paper. But and then I guess at that time them go look about it or whatever. Because she said she never have none for a while. But the witness say Alvida.
That would be RGD person, you know, where witness say yeah, she kind then he look about the same time.
Yeah. That's
So
the
maybe
all of the people
even
them
this a thing right now, maybe even this a birth certificate right now, maybe a link she have and she just use somebody way and make up this.
The nurse named Nurse Anderson.
Oh yeah, she Alvida Robinson, she had a witness, Nurse Anderson. Yeah.
Nurse Anderson. Hold on. Robinson and Anderson are two different. The nurse will deliver are Nurse Anderson. The person will witness here Robinson. I thought the midwife will deliver her named Nurse Anderson.
And she come and go and like I say a foreign live in Jamaica in there.
So that's that. Let's try to give you every little information. What the number where they at the top of the birth certificate, that one long number 0102. You write it down?
Yeah, 0102
0204 407171 /2014. So I get every little information where things say relevant.
So this is 0120. What's your name? Sassy, Lady Sassy P. That Sassy P said me I give me $200. Sassy P said somebody give him $200.
Yeah, well, chat, we don't call Sassy. Jabass say ma give you $200 for the video because she in the video. Sassy, Jabass say ma give you $200. Go on over Jabass to send it. Anybody see Sassy? Because Jabass want the video.
Oh, you have a video with her?
Yes. So anybody see Sassy, make her know. Say Jabass I want to give her the $200 for the video.
Anyway, Peter.
She's just wicked and delusional. The next thing.
Hold on, Tracy, may I check it. Chat, me go tell you something. You know, I say what Jabass say, and if I said what I said and bring this person, Jabass have a right to cuss me. I mean, I feel no way. Me see when I say.
All right.
And if Jabass cuss, he have a right to cuss me. Me no feel no way, because anybody reputation go up on the line, they have a right to cuss me, and it's just the truth. He have all right to feel how him feel, and he have all right to cuss. Anybody would have cuss. Me would have cuss too. So if he cuss me and he class me, I deserve it. And it's just the truth. So guys, that's it. Me not feel no way. If that happen, me not feel no way. Me deserve it. When you fuck up and you deserve it. And that's just it. Me can't, if him supposed to cuss and class me, would have cuss and class him too. So me not feel no way. Right is right.
With name, mother. Veronica Michelle. Boy, you see, you have a right to blood clot. If I have a right for the name of the on the blood clot paper.
Hold on the chat, me come. Go and talk to them. Just give me a second. Buck, you ready for your dinner? Buck! They say your name, Buck. They say one big batty man on TikTok say your name, Buck. So Buck, you ready for your dinner? They change your name now to Buck. K name Buck now. Buck, you ready for your dinner?
Come.
I suck your mama buggy thing set up. No one can set me up. No one can set me up. Hey, go shut up your mouth, Glory, and go with your blood clog. You think I that slinger so? No one can say you think I that slinger so. Shut up on the bum buckler mouth. Anybody more add anybody more add me do anything more and do. You think I'm not big that boy slinger so? I feel like you don't know me, not to know me, man. Someone over here. Someone over here in the comment section. But I want to see one with a blood clot. At least we go lie blood clot, girl, I say, you know. And but someone when Petagaye me come out, no fun with the other set up on a blood clot. But I no fun with over there, about tear me down, you know. No forget. I want to forget. No better go on here. Oh. I'm telling you, you see, mastermind with all of this is the woman. We saying in Petagaye. He skill your fuck, not even liar no skill so. Liar skill you know. But not even liar no skill so. I tell you know. Cause you just a listen, you know, you just a listen. But you know pick sense out of nonsense, you know, bro, and analyze everything from then till now. You know analyze, you know, just a listen. You know just a listen what be said, but you know analyze it. And that a phone no problem. That a phone problem because someone is so stupid. A liar, Petagaye. When liar they on the blood clot live attack. And Petagaye in our box and told him attack one time. When you done, if you done, so leave and go to school, man. I had my puppy show. Liar and the one in my puppy show. I saw my name Petagaye, my blood clot mastermind. we had them turn them like idiot.
I true your Jabass, anything you say right now, you deserve to say it. You deserve to say it, Jabass.
Tell me I tell you that. And GX know everything what is happening, but the money. You don't give a fuck. Oh. Tell me I tell you something. Better listen. How are you Kiki?
When me wrong, you know, me can't say me wrong. Jabass, how him feel, him totally right in how him feel, and it's just the truth.
Lie, me tell you the truth, me is a boy like this, me know. Say where them they come with. I will know that about no go so all the thing you do, you know, he just put one whole heap of damage over my reputation, you know. But in terms of life, he say within myself, you know damage me. Cause me is a boy like this away. I got me really pray to and chat with you know. Me no go up man and sitting there, you know. No time. Me is a boy like him and he always answer me. You get me?
Yeah,
So whether they come with and what was being said, it just fuck with my reputation, but not with me. Eh? Yeah, but not with me myself in a real life. You understand me? And let me tell you, me not really spread hate, you know, because hate is something we condemn you within yourself, you know. So no matter you me come here and me cuss and me class and me bring down, me is a boy, me not really spread love because me a God in me, and if you are God in you can't have hate in you.
Yeah.
You understand me? That's what I know. For a fact. You see me? So me that boy me just always left things to time and make it reveal itself because bro, alright, me come and me cuss, you know. People listen to me cuss. Rosalie come live and diss me up and dig me up. See? Me this or she diss me. The people them come now and jump up in a box and send message, resort. Liar, Sky, body run with what they were saying. They run with it because I make awareness. You understand? I make awareness of what being said, bro. You see me? Remember, if Rosalie never did come live and start talk about me and grape allegation, there would be nobody to go on any platform to say such. So when I see that now and then I see the same household, a person with the same household is close with the same person who came and said so much derogative things about me that is not true. And I see that the same person that came and did it is the same person who is friend with whose platform was used to spread it. So that there is where the bonanza is. It could be so coincidental for the person who said that I raped them and injured them and pushed screwdriver in them and left them to die and bleed out is the same person who is clinging with a person who is at the same household. That is what I don't understand.
And that is what I don't understand either, Jake. Jabass can me say how she reach this so. Me no know. It's just that our puzzle.
She was there all along. She was there all along before all of this.
The person sassy asked Jake's mother I do Petagaye here, the so-called lawyer here. Yes.
I don't want to know. I don't want to give you no Buffy. I don't want to give you no. I wouldn't want to know. Alright. Put it this way. Jigs, I am not going to accuse you, Papa. I am not going to accuse you. Hold on, mommy. I'm not going to accuse you. I'm going to say you don't know about it. But Jigs, let me tell you something, Jigs. That person came and tell a humongous lie on me, Jigs. That I push screwdriver through her belly and through her pussy and all about pan her. And she come and tell lie, say I grape her vagina and I grape her ass. Where nothing never goes so, Jigs. Be careful, Jigs. Be careful. Be careful. Okay. You know when them ask me say, when she come about protection, how would you put her up in a protection?
She said the government that put her in a witness protection. That's what she said.
Girl, remember me tell you. Girl, skilling.
Jabass, the woman walking a Sissoko with me and mother on Skype on the phone, and she say, like she just said, me have a meeting with Mr. Wilson at 2 o'clock. We hear her say that. We hear her say that. We see her walking a Sissoko and say that in a Sissoko.
No, a Sky Diamond, they come and say, you have her in a safe place. Sky Diamond, this is so.
So she tell me that's not a lie. So she tell me that's not a lie.
He says Sky Diamond, you have her in a safe place and them a collect money. Them a collect money for move her out from where she did. Because Jabass go up at the house, go kick off the door and a search for her. Jabass, you know, that was at his club all day. Under his surveillance camera, 24-hour recording. He was at his business place all day and he left his business place without the camera seeing, without...
So the club where they say Sheldon own, because they say Sheldon own the club.
Yes.
That same club there. All right, what she said the policeman name? What she said me can't remember what she said the policeman name. One policeman I sent the actual name, so... Cause Hammer Crutch, she say him know the policeman. What the policeman name, Chad?
The policeman name, suppose man don't know nothing about them at all, about them a liar.
Some policeman name they call. Me don't remember what they say the policeman.
Motty Scott.
Yes, Motty
He live a
Scott.
balaclava, man say them a liar, they don't mix up in name. That's the man say. And they say me I get locked up Monday, and me go me dey everywhere, I know Monday can't come. I know Monday can't come. Hammer all involved with that. Who name Hammer? Who name Hammer liar?
One man named Hammer Crutches will have talk louder than everybody. You don't know him, probably don't know him.
What's that?
I don't know, probably don't know him. But he just talk loud. He come every Wednesday night and scream down the place. Probably don't know who. He not show himself. He just talk loud. him one of them that advocate for Naya and everywhere Naya, this situation with Naya, they and this and that, them did all over the place. Him one of them.
So like I say, so you never know say the person in Petagaye and Jake's their friend before.
No,
before
me never know. Let me tell you how me know Jabass. Sassy keep telling me say she last week Friday. Me never hear that Jake's get locked up last week Friday. You hear about it?
No, sir.
Okay, like you really not tune into TikTok. Them say Jake's get locked up, right?
When I come from live, I dey scroll. I say I don't know what I want today.
Yeah,
and somebody
you don't
text me and ask me, and I say let me go check what I want. Somebody text me.
So Sassy call so no, and a Sassy tell me come on TikTok, right?
Yeah, perfect extension come for me and me charge her fast. I bet you are dead.
Me come Jabass, right? Me I hear them I say GX can you know say GX a trend now. So,
quick.
So me hear they say GX get locked up. Me hear Sky and Chev over there talk. Hold on guys, when he make him finish, he might look for in charger.
You can't put yeah?
But can I drink this soup before it get cold? Yeah, funny because some people love talk about stupidness about TikTok. Me have to like me have to laugh.
I don't know if I'm gonna blood clot cut. Listen me, you mention if you love me alone pussy well. My mother over here in my comment section and in that tell me cut. None of them can't tell me cut. Me tell me blood clot there. Oh really a pussy hole.
All right, Jabass. Let me tell you, so hold me on to the situation. I think Sassy keeps saying no. She called me and she say, no, she not called me. Me hear it over one live say Jakes get locked up, which was the uncle live. Me hear Sky them and them I say Inge. So me say Sassy Jakes locked up for true. She say somebody reach out to her and say, and she sent me the message. I have the message them where she the person send her and say, Mr. Beckford, but I pay chat GPT talking to Jabass. Pay chat GPT. So me say, and she said, oh, but my try get one order of protection against Rose. You remember the night me did hear when say Rose and GX did have the knife situation and whatever.
Yeah.
They might try get order of protection against Rose. So Sassy called me and she said, you know, some day I work lawyer, but the GX lawyer called me and say $80,000 for do one protection order, but she will take 65 or 60, something like that. But she said she did work and she can't raise live. But the money went to her PayPal, her payment methods. The money went, but the money was raised. Yeah, for Sassy own. The money went to for them payment, for her payment method. Me not collect no money, me just raise it. Me just ask for the donation for my life and then send it to her PayPal, Cash App, and Zelle. Whatever should I use. Anyway, that is how me here say Jakes get locked up. Anyway, Sassy keeps saying, lawyer, me want talk to the girl, you know. And me say, anytime you're ready. And she say, but she don't want to talk to you. Me say, she not have to talk to me. You know, cause like people always think me invested in a thing. Me say, no, she not have to talk to me. She can't deal with you. She not have to talk to me. But here what was puzzling. Sassy came to me and she said the girl say she know Petagaye. She know Petagaye. Because she meet Petagaye, hear Petagaye's story. And it was so chilling. But Petagaye is no longer on the island. Petagaye gone somewhere, go study nursing because she in witness protection. And the case is so high profile. So me say she know Petagaye. So me just say, okay then she know Petagaye. Because you know she a lawyer, you know things happen. Blah blah. Me never read nothing.
What lawyer?
She said she a lawyer. Me at this time I think say the GX lawyer. Me never know who at this point in the Jabass. I never know who because I never spoke to her. So me I think say one actual lawyer. So me I say if she know Petagaye's story, that is not far-fetched. If she says she know it. And it was all over TikTok. Anyway. Wednesday, Sassy and them they on one call. Sassy joined me to the call in a Jabass. She joined me. But Petagaye no know. As Petagaye hear my voice, so me start talking and me I hear fear voice. Cause she not pay attention. And me say, Bumba call no Petagaye this. So same time me call my moderator K, me say, K, listen here. No Petagaye, me say, who's a voice this okay? K say Petagaye. What should they on Sassy phone I do? Me say, K, me not delusional then. When me did I listen, when me start talk now, she jump off of the phone, Jabass. When me start talk, she jump off of the phone. Sassy call her back, she not answer.
Can I catch up on her voice?
Yes, me
Me
catch
say
up on her
me say my
voice.
mastermind.
So Sassy call her back, she not answer. So me say, Sassy, you have no voice note with her? So Sassy send me one voice note. She look and she find it and she send me one voice note. But me listen to me say, Petagaye this. So me go there and me have one group chat. Can you have a group chat? Me play for everybody in the group chat. Before the voice note don't play, the people them say Petagaye.
Alright, let me tell you no chat. What are the lie? Let me tell you no. Let me tell you no chat. GX never did know this Petagaye person, you know. Cause sometimes I'm a boy, I listen and I analyze things while everybody attack. GX never know a people, you know. But you want to know, Sassy and Petagaye have a connection and a talking. So Sassy is the one who always vent for GX, the on GX side. GX trust Sassy.
Yes.
Well, so GX trust Sassy. Sassy and Petagaye are friends. Petagaye see a little way of try if go in, if you go try make a money off of the hot moment, you know. You understand me?
Right,
so
you're right, this sir.
Now Sassy introduce Petagaye with GX. With GX. So come now GX and them start link. But true GX him come like he dance and he love money more than Rosalie. Him no realize say at the same little liar somebody because she go to him with one different name. Which is what's the name he give GX?
Cadian.
So she's not using Petagaye with GX anymore, she's using Cadian.
Jabass.
So she
knows
got to him now with a
Sassy have
new
one
name.
platform.
With a new name. Cadian.
Hold on, Jabass. No, what she do? She realized Sassy one of Jake's biggest advocate because she over here on TikTok and she hear everything. So when time Jake get arrested, it was her time for moving pan Sassy. Because that was the first time Sassy ever talked to her. She go in a Sassy box and said Jake tell her to reach out to Sassy. So she knows that Sassy is Jake's biggest advocate. And here what happened. She have fucked Jake's. So she want push with Chef and everybody. Because me tell you Jabass, her biggest thing, you know, I forget GX out of Stevie and for run Rosalie. That's why she had to order protection and
Sassy.
all. No. Petagaye biggest thing I forget GX for out of Stevie. But she and forget him for run Rosalie because she has said no. The order of protection that I will take 5 years, you know, like it can last a longer time and more strict. So it's like she realized if Sassy just want to help GX, so she use Sassy to carry out whatever she need to carry out on TikTok. I remember she don't have a platform. She can't come over here because we already know her voice. So any money where she want, beg her, anything where she want, she use Sassy to do it. You understand what I say? Anybody she want to get rid of her around GX, she use Sassy to do it.
Oh.
That is what she do. Because Sassy no know her. She reach out to Sassy because at GX get arrested and she didn't want Sassy. He want Sassy to know. And then as she bring the order of protection whole thing and all of that. As she bring that, she bring the lawyer money, she bring everything.
Lawyer, let me tell you the truth. The people over here say, somebody must name Cadian and the moderator, him name Cadian. So they must say in that chat.
What?
They must say a moderator name Cadian and she.
Type of foolish. Jabass,
I don't mean with that SMS I read.
Jabass, listen. The TikTok are the dirty set of people them over here. The dirty set of people them. You hear our voice, you hear Jake's call her Cadian. Who for voice that?
A Petagaye voice, man.
Okay, so we ever talk about?
The voice a Petagaye. But more know who introduced GX. Make me ask blood clot GX, you know. I want to know Petagaye from, you know. I say, you know, GX can't tell me I'm gonna problem, you know, because GX help 6.
Remember that the $9,000 when they say chef teeth? Yeah. And she tells Sassy because she want to get Sassy for her own GX. She want to get chef for her own GX.
Oh.
So she come over here come make out chef to be a thief.
Oh.
Because she all tell Sassy say GX people them GX gifted them no one give him because two chef name GX first lady and the chef change back her name and all of that.
Me GX go say it life it's true.
Then that go on a she
So because she the views them split in half.
Yes, because that's how why the Petagaye feed them behind the scene. Cause she tell GX say what woman contribute $450,000 to one car. And because I chef the woman take back the money. And the woman they go pay 1 year rent. And
chat, GX can't read. If GX can't read, go in the comment section and tell me I call him. No. Because me need to know if GX a woman GX know this a woman yeah. Cause I don't think GX so that's so stupid to pussy rascal. This is a wicked liar Petagaye person yeah.
You see, and King's Council. Then say, disconnect. Come back, Jabass. Then say, disconnect.
I know me. At this, I know I feel like I say, let me tell you something.